Hello, my name is Brooklyn Lewis. I'm from Holmen, Wisconsin, and here's a picture of Holmen on the map. And since being from Holmen, Wisconsin, we celebrate Corn Fest every year. That's our town festival, so we eat a lot of good corn. This is my family. My dad's name is Brett. My mom's name is Denise. My brother's name is Jet. I'm Brooklyn, and my fiance's name is Colton. And then my dog right here, her name is Sadie, and the horses are Wizard, Jasmine, and Joey. I am here at St. Mary's because I'm going to school to be an elementary school teacher. I want to teach fifth grade, and I have a very big passion for it. A fun fact about me is I love to travel. Over the past summer, my family and we went to South Dakota. My fiance and I went to New York. I've been to Las Vegas, Door County, Maine, Orlando in Florida. I've been to Scotland and Colorado. And a short story about me is I am engaged to my fiance Colton Strupp. We're getting married in June of 2023 at a venue in La Crosse on the water, and I could not be more excited. I am so excited for our families to blend together. This picture here is of his family and my family together, and it means a lot to me because it's important that his family is close with mine because we all want to be one family. So his family is on his side, and then mine is on mine. And then if we look at the other picture of these beautiful ladies, these are my absolute best friends, and they're all going to be bridesmaids in the wedding. So I hope they're just as excited about it as I am. Now, an analogy I would make about myself is I would call myself the sweet assassin after Adriana Zumbo. I know I'm not quite to that level, but my favorite hobby in the world is baking. I love to bake muffins and cake and scones, as we see in this picture up at the top, and I love to give them to all my friends and my family, and hopefully it makes them happy. So I want to thank everyone for listening, and if you think you would want to be my friend from what you've heard, let me know if we have things in common, and I can't wait to see the rest of my class's videos. Thank you.